Hello everyone, this is Trace O'Brien with Tier 1 Crane. You may or may not already know, but we offer prep courses for the CCO written exams. I've had some calls recently from people struggling to figure out how to purchase the content and access it through the website. So I wanted to release this quick video tutorial and address those issues. All of the courses and content can be accessed from a phone, computer, or tablet. As long as you have an internet connection, you can purchase and access the courses. The first step is you'll need to go to tier1crane.com as shown on the screen. From there, you'll see a menu at the top of the page. If on a mobile phone, to access the menu, click on the box with the 3 lines as shown here. Within the menu, click on the Shop button. On the Shop page, you'll see a selection of all the course options. Depending on what you need, click the Add to Cart button, which is located here. After adding it to the cart, go back up to the menu and click on the Cart button located here. You'll see the recently added course or courses below as shown here. If there is something within the cart that was added by mistake, just click the X right here and it will be eliminated from the cart. If you have a coupon code, you will see this coupon code box right here. For example, use code OSHA10 and then click Apply Coupon. You'll notice here that the coupon code has been applied to the price. By the way, this code does actually work. After that, along the bottom here, just click the Proceed to Checkout button. It will take you to this page where you'll need to enter all of your information relevant to your account and payment information. Everything with an asterisk is required. The last couple items here at the bottom are going to be for your login information. Make sure the email you use you have full access to, and then create a password. Finally, just enter your payment information to the side here and click Place Order. Once your order is placed, it will automatically take you to the My Account page. There are a few different things you can do from this page. Click on Orders. Here it will list your most recent order along with any others that were previously made on the account at any point. Just click View to look into any of them. The Downloads button here isn't relevant to any of the courses unless there was a PDF file attached to it, which none of them currently have. You can also click on the Addresses button to view or change the address related to the account. Under Payment Methods, you can save, view, or change payment methods. Click on the Account Details button, and it will bring up all of your information. If you need to change your password to the account, you would do it here. Then of course, on this last line, you can get logged out. To access the actual courses, once logged in, go back up to the Courses tab located in the menu. All of the courses are located here, but only the ones you purchase can be accessed, of course. In this tutorial, we purchased the Core and the Lattice course, or LAT. Since this is my test account that I've used before, it shows that we already completed the Core course. Notice for the Lattice course, it's showing Enrolled in the upper left corner. After you purchase a course, this is what you should see on this page if you're logged in correctly. To start it, just click on the Take This Course button at the bottom. This will take you to the course dashboard. Scroll down and you'll see all the domains. You can expand each domain to see the content within. To start it, just click on the Site option and it will take you to the first video. From there, just scroll down, and to watch the video here, it's set up through Vimeo. Very easy to work, very much like YouTube. Just click play here, or you can expand it on your phone or computer. This will make it much more clear. If you want to speed up or slow down the content, just click on the Settings tab here and click on Speed. From there, we can speed up or slow down the speed of the video. Once completed, this will be followed up by a corresponding quiz, or in some cases, an exam. So let's click on that. From here, I will just hit the Start Quiz button, scroll down, answer the question, and then click Next. Once I finish the quiz, it's going to grade and tell me which ones I missed. From there, I have to get 80% or better to move on to the next portion. Anytime you want to go back to the dashboard, just click on this Back to Course button here at the bottom. As you scroll down, you'll notice off to the side of the domains will be these check marks. These check marks are going to indicate that you have completed that specific domain. In order to get that check mark, you must watch the video, mark as complete, and get 80% or better on that quiz. Once you're finished taking a quiz or exam, it will grade the test automatically and show you the results. I also started giving references on the test questions, so if you get one wrong, it will show you why you got it wrong, then reference the correct answer. Not all the questions are this way, but I'm steadily adding those explanations. So let's click on the Lattice Boom Load Charts domain. We'll scroll down here and click on the Load Chart quiz. For some of the content, there will be a Materials tab. For example, this is for the Lattice Boom Load Chart portion. In order to follow along and do the load chart questions, you'll need access to the load charts. So click on the Materials tab here. And as we come down, you can see the link here, and that when I click on it, it's going to open up the load charts relevant to the specific exam. In this case, it'd be for the Lattice Boom. Now, these are the exact charts that you will have on your actual CCO exam. There's nothing different about them. So let's go back. Now, once you've completed the course, and I'm going to show you and reference from the Mobile Crane core here, since we already completed this through the test account, you'll come down and you'll notice it'll say you've earned a certificate. And this button over here is going to be to download that certificate. Do what you please with that, but please know, and another question that I get a lot is, can you still come back and access the material even after you've completed it and earned the certificate? And the answer is yes. Even after earning that certificate, you can still go back over the content and jump around as you please. But please note that the course does expire after 90 days. I highly encourage people to go over the course multiple times after completion. These courses are very effective and have shown to help people significantly, but you have to take the time and effort to take full advantage of it. These courses are live on my website, and I'm always changing or adding different things. As you can see here on the core exam, well after the course was released, I added the additional NC CCO prep quiz. If we jump into this domain here, I also added the wire rope safety factors and the power line minimum clearance distances topic with the quiz and more. For example, if you're struggling with the power line requirements, we can just click on this topic here. Scroll down and you'll see we have the table here with all of the relevant clearance requirements. Once you're ready, just click on the quiz button below to get started. This is a 15-question quiz. Just go through it a few times and you'll have these distances memorized. Everyone has different things that they struggle with for these exams, and the advantage here with these courses is you can go over it as much as you need and target very specific items before the 90 days is up. And as crane operators, we don't always have a lot of time. And a lot of us don't like to take time off. So being able to have access to all this information straight from your phone for whenever you have a break at work or there's any time, even 5 minutes to get some studying in, this is really effective. It's proven very effective for a lot of people. And if you think it'd be helpful for you, please feel free to reach out, comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you very much.